Did you know a young yak once survived a deadly blizzard by learning to see without eyes? High in the Himalayan mountains, a fluffy yak named Koda was peacefully grazing with his herd. Suddenly, thick snow clouds rolled in like a white wall, creating a complete whiteout. Within seconds, Koda couldn't see or hear his family through the swirling snow. He stumbled blindly, trying to retrace his steps, but only got more lost. He nearly fell into a hidden creek, bumped into boulders, and got tangled in branches. As the storm grew worse, distant wolf howls echoed through the mountains. Just when fear overwhelmed him, a clever mountain goat appeared through the snow. The goat taught Koda something amazing: how to navigate using smell and touch instead of sight. Together, they followed wind patterns and familiar scents back to safety. When Koda finally found his herd, he had gained both a best friend and incredible new skills. Sometimes the greatest adventures teach us to see the world in completely new ways.